Welcome back. Josef Kuehn joins us in the kitchen, and on the menu, we're making something that's going to be, I'm sure, on Carol's table tonight because every time Josef comes, she's like, I can make this.
I can.
So what are we learning to make?
I have no idea. I don't have a name for it. I just made it.
We made it up, actually.
And it's called?
Yeah,
Spring chicken and pasta.
With vegetables.
Well, I didn't put it with vegetables.
You're supposed to leave that part out.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
No,
but
with
it looks
vegetables.
good and smells good, and anything that says creamy chicken and pasta, you know, is going to be.
We should be spring bacon with chicken.
Yes, spring chicken with bacon. What do you?
What do you
missing?
missing?
This.
His veggies.
My veggies.
Yeah.
But I'm cheating.
That's okay.
We already got some pasta made on the stove here.
And that's what, about 16, almost 16 ounces.
Yeah, so that's done.
I don't know if I've ever had this style, the ratatouille.
Yeah, that's good. That's very good.
So the noodles, I'm cheating because of time.
Yes, that's okay.
This is technically a one-pan dish. You can do it all in the skillet. So
and a nice skillet, too.
What you do is you take just a little bit of olive oil, heat it up, get your chicken seasoned with some salt, pepper. I use a little bit of cayenne because I like cayenne pepper, and then just go ahead and sear those on each side, get them cooked, and just let them sit and rest.
How much chicken did we use here?
I used a package, I don't know, or roughly about half a package of, you know, one of those sizes that's about that big. Yeah, so that's done. Now that we have the hot pan, it's still hot, but you're gonna deglaze your pan. I like to use white wine in this recipe. It just gives it a good flavor. You can use a dry or semi-sweet. I don't care. I like semi-sweet wines, and that's what I had on hand. I tried it, and I'm like, oh, this is good. So basically, you just let your pan stay hot, and you're going to pour your wine straight in. I usually use about a quarter to a half a cup, somewhere in there.
And you chose Max Creek.
And oh, hey, I'm getting a phone call from somebody. That's
it's National
Telephone Day.
So
hey, I'm on the ball. So, and then you just kind of scrape up the good stuff on the bottom.
Ooh, and did you do your bacon in here too, or
no,
just the chicken?
Just the chicken.
Okay.
You can do the bacon. Thank you for fixing that for me.
Okay.
And then your onions are going to go in.
And you chose a white onion?
Sweet onion.
Oh, a Vidalia onion.
So your onions are going to go in. I like to use this squeezy garlic
because
it's
what I have at home.
Quick and easy.
So far, I have all these ingredients.
Yep, so Carol's good to go.
Carol
is ready to go. All right. So
and then we're just going to take the onions. Okay, this is happening. Just the onions go in, and you're just going to cook those down just a little bit.
How much onion did you say?
I used a quarter because it was a huge onion.
Okay.
Were these tenderloin chicken? What did
yes, chicken breast tenderloins. I like using those because they seem to have less of the tendons and the fat and the blood clots and things in them. That's just what I've noticed. That's what I like to use.
Thanks
so.
for that.
And they cook a little faster. What?
Thank you. Just chicken. That's right.
All the yummy guts and stuff. So you're just gonna let those cook down a little bit, and then what goes into here is really simple from here.
Okay.
You're gonna pour chicken stock in, and then you'll pour your noodles in and your vegetables. Frozen. I use frozen vegetable medleys because it's just quicker.
Okay.
I'm cheating. This is cheat.
That's okay.
But you just throw them in, let them steam,
easy enough.
And your noodles for 14, 15 minutes till your noodles are tender where you like them.
Okay.
And then you're gonna add the rest. You're gonna add your whipping cream and your more stock if you need it.
Okay.
And do I dare say before we go to break, some bacon fell on the ground. Did
Where?
you notice that, Ronnie?
Did it?
I know.
Okay,
yeah.
That
that's
is
true.
sacrilege.
I just had to say that.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for bringing that up.
So
thanks, Carol. All right, stay
note,
with us. We're going to take a quick break and finish this recipe up with that.
All right.
With Josef right after this.